welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will give a review on this dumbbell set, which is 7-in-1 dumbbell set. So it is 20 or 25 kg, you will see. So everything comes in polythene, and you can see the weights are of rubber, and you can see it has filling with some kind of material which I'm not sure which is, but the quality you can see it's quite nice. The surface finish is nice, and weight is written over here 2 kg on both the sides. So these are of 2 kg weight. We have 1.5, kg, and then we have 1.5. So this is 1.25, 1.25, 1.5, 1.25, 1.25, and 2. So we have 4 2 kg, 4 1.5, and 4 1.25. So this is total 8 kg, 6 kg, and this is 5 kg, so total 19 kg. We got 1 kg less. What can we do? So now let's see what we have. We have these two support, you can say supporters. We have 5 nuts. We have 5 nuts, 2 rods, and we have this extender. This is an extender to make it a long rod. So let's see what can we do now. This is for making, so क्या बोलते हैं वो जो उठा के रखते हैं. So this is for making kettlebell. So now I will show you how to make that. So you can put it like this. You can put the weights as per your convenience, and then you can just fix this.
अरे क्या हो रहा है ये?
So now this will work as a kettlebell. Okay. Then to make dumbbells, you can place weight. You can use these screws. And the quality wise is very nice. You can see how fast you can make the dumbbells, and you can tighten it. It has these supporters, so it's nice and it's sturdy. It's not moving, the dumbbells are not moving. So if you make it tight, okay. Now I will show you the last one, which is how to make a big rod. So to make this supporter, or you can say extender, so you need to make it so as per the length you can make it. So let's say if I want a bigger a longer rod, you can just place it like this. If you want a shorter rod, you can push it, like you can screw it all the way through this point. So if you make it all the way through, it will like this. On this part also you need to screw it. So in this way you can get a rod for this. Again you can put this dumbbells like this, and now this will serve as a rod. Now I will show you how to make a long rod from this. So to make a longer rod, what I say, so to make this longer, put the weights over here. Let's say 3 weight. So now it is packed. I don't want measure. And on this side again I need to place the same weights. So now you can see you got a longer rod, but the weights are in between. So for doing chest press or for doing squats, you can use this thing also if you want a wider grip. So you get a wider grip by putting the weights inside.